We just keep on walking, but never really getting nowhere. It's like we keep on talking, but never really saying nothing. On different sides, on different times, stuck in a ways we ain't changing. Can't read your mind.
I just have to say, this just gives me shine bubble energy. Like, look at how sparkly this is. What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm going to be taking you guys to a new store that just opened up in London. Now, I've gotten messages, DMs, and emails in the past asking, Kim, where can we find trims? Where can we find, accessories that you can use to create that custom gown for a client for their wedding, an ashwabi gown, all those blingy, lacy things. I'm going to be taking you guys to a spot today that you can find all those materials. It's in London. I'm going to leave the address in the description down below. So if you wanted to check this out for yourself, you can actually go there in person. So let's go. Can you tell I'm excited? I love doing videos like this. I love discovering new spots for you guys, for myself, because then somebody might actually find it useful. So let's head up to the place. Hopefully I find someone to speak to in store, and let's just have an amazing time discovering this spot for trims for our sewing project. I am walking to the shop now. It is raining. Forecast said it wasn't meant to rain, but oh well, here we are. It is at Walthamstow Market on the High Street. So I'm coming in through the back because it's 169. That's the number of the shop. So I'm going to go in through the back rather than coming from the front from Walthamstow Central Station, and then we're walking for a long time along the High Street. So I'll show you guys when we arrive. Oh yeah. Right, there it is. It's Trimmings Fabric Central Textile 3. This is their haberdashery shop. So let's go in and take a look. It's so wet and rainy today. Wow, so I just arrived. Wow, there is so much to see. I'm talking trims, I'm talking lace, buttons, tassels. Oh my god, trims as far as the eyes can see. And when I say trims, I mean this like ribbon things that you can use to embellish your garment. You can use for neckline, cuffs. They have thread as well, and all the way at the back there's a whole section with like yarn if you're someone who does knitting or crocheting. There's zips. Wow. Oh my god, it's like a mini warehouse just for trims. Because I get you guys asking me, oh, where do I get like, appliques to use for your projects? They have a whole section for that here. All of this side is for like, stay, what do you call this thing? Like ribbons and things. Wow. And even these. Okay, let me turn this around and show you so you guys actually see what I'm talking about. I don't know what these are, but they look like huge 3D flowers. This I already imagine on like the neckline of like an altar dress in many different colors. Whoa. All of that there, all of that up there are lace, sequin, beaded, 3D applique details. All the way to the top on that side, and then above me, wait, I don't think you guys can see. Wow. Oh, see the way everything is just shining. Everything is entering my eye. Oh my goodness. On the top there, and then all the way to the back. Wow. Can you imagine these two? That is actually the silhouette of a dress. It's in silver and it's in gold. And you just need to cut it out, stitch the sides, and then you have your gown done. How insane is that? Some more gorgeous. I'm just lost for words. If you're wondering why I'm not talking, I am genuinely lost for words. That is literally the whole neckline of a boo-boo there, like right there. And they come in like different shapes and different colors. And if you're someone who does like menswear, you know, like the kaftan style, this looks like the kind of thing that they would weave. Like this one especially, look at that. This looks like the kind of thing that they would weave onto the neck, but hair is already made. You just would stitch around it and you have the neckline done. Some more trims over here. And I even saw this really stunning beaded, would you even call this a cord? I don't know what you call this, but it comes in a variety of colors. I imagine this over like corsetting to cover the tunnels to give like a really nice three-dimensional feel to the garment. So that one comes in different colors, and then they have like the twisted cord here in gold, peach, blue and gold, and then just like other rope type variations that I normally would use things like this for like my round bomber projects, and it's nice to see that they have that here. Look at what I found. Pleated, already pleated fabric. It is not like a whole fabric, but it's like a good size. I'll say this is like what, 6, 7, 10 inches roughly, and it comes in white, it comes in black too, like already pleated. If you look really closely, you can see the pleats are already incorporated in the fabric, and then the edges are like woven. Is this you? No, what weave care? The edges have beadwork on them. Oh, that would make like a really nice hem, or even like a exaggerated collar detail if you're someone who likes avant-garde style and fashion. Wow. This section at the very back is where they're all like the wools, the yarns. If you're someone who does crocheting or knitting, I don't really know how it works, but they have that all the way at the back. Different colors, different styles. If you're also who uses wool to braid, so like, because I know that's something that's a style that actually exists. I don't know if people still do it a lot, but like wool to like make hair in different colors, mostly black or brown, but they have that in stock here. So I'm going to find Ali, who is one of the owners of the business, ask him questions around like where they source the materials from, what the pricing is like, if they ship around the world, because I know some of you might be watching this video from the US or from somewhere in Europe or in Asia or in Africa, to find out if they ship around the world, what their shipping rates are like, just so you have some answers to possible questions that you might have. So if you do have any further questions, leave them down below in the comment section and we'll get back to you when we can. But let's go find the man. Let's go find the man.
Hi, it's Trimming Textile Central. It's Ali from here. This is our new branch. This is our trimming shop. We're known as Fabric Textile Central, but this is our new branch. It's a trimming shop. We are located at 169 High Street, Walthamstow. Look forward to seeing you all. All of our materials and our trimmings, they all come from Turkey, so we source them all from Turkey. I'll give you an example. This is one of our chantilly laces edges. So this is how it looks. I'll just show it to you like this. Let's get a piece. This is one of the chantilly laces, the edge of it. They're all from Turkey.
That's actually very pretty.
We have a variety of colors, yeah. We've got your main colors, which are the white colors and the black colors and nude colors, but we've got so many options. As there are loads here, you can see, and there's loads more around here as well. And we've got them in so many different widths as well. So some are a little bit shorter, some a little bit wider as well.
So I am curious to know, however, what the pricing is like. If I wanted to get like maybe the green one or the white one, what would they cost me?
So Kim, our prices range from £60 to £150. For example, this is £60. This one's quite a small size, and they are all handmade, by the way. This one's a little size. This is £60, for example. However, this one is a bigger size one, and this is £150. And the reason this is £150 because it's a bigger size. You can make a complete front of a dress with this, and it is handmade, and they are all from Turkey. When I mentioned that this size is a smaller size, I was referring to, for example, we've put one on this mannequin, and this is our corset. So we sell ready-made corsets in our other store. So this is an example where you could use one of these on a ready-made corset.
The people would like to know if you ship around the world, if there's someone in the US, in Asia, in Africa. Is that a service that you offer?
Yeah. So we do all UK delivery, and we also do international delivery. So we ship to all worldwide. We have a website that you can order it. However, because this is our new trimming shop, all of these products are not on our website. So you could place an order via WhatsApp or via our Instagram page. But we do shipping to UK and international.
Spotted something really cute. Look at these. They're like beaded tassels. Oh, this color is gorgeous. Oh my god, even this purple one. Imagine making like a mini dress, and then you have this all over the dress. There's like a longer version. This one's in silver, orange, green. Wow. Yeah, this is what it looks. This is what the longer one looks like. That looks so fun. I worked with something similar a couple of years ago. Just imagine the gown moving with you. Whoa. I just have to say, this just gives me shine bubble energy. Like, look at how sparkly this is. I just thought of like a simple like gown, and then you just have this around the neckline or as a shoulder strap. This as a shoulder strap of like a simple dress. Whoa. When I say this place, they really took their time stocking what the people need. I did not lie. I did not lie at all. Wow, look at that. Oh, the way it shines in the lights. I just found a section with feathers in different colors and different styles. Let me show you what I mean. These type of things. This one is like pink with the head dipped in like gold. They have a whole section with just those. Let me just explore it. This is so cute. It's like a green, light green, and it goes into like dark green. If you're someone who likes to use this in your designs, or you have a customer who wants something like this as a detail, it could be like around the sleeve, around the neck, around the hem. I did a orange one shoulder boo-boo, I think it was like 2 or 3 years ago, and I had orange fake feathers around, I think it was one side of the, because it was like a one shoulder situation, and I had it around one side of the sleeve, and it looked really cool. I'll say something like this: the fuller it looks, the better, so you may need to buy a little bit more than you think you actually need. I'm just thankful for the fact that someone actually took the time out to curate a spot like this, because usually I would buy zip from one place, cord from another place, my ropes from my bomber from another place. The fact that someone has not put all of this in one shop. This is the same company that does the already made corsets. I think I did the video in January this year. I just think they know what the people want, because I'm currently making a suit, so I think I might try and find some buttons for the blazer, and then some zips, buttons for the blouse as well. So I'll just see if I can pick up anything here that I actually need. But wow, for the person who was asking me where they could get a large buckle things for belts, they have it here. Just so you know, they have it here, and I see it in cream. I also see like a rounded version here, and then I see this one that looks like what you can use for like a proper waist belt. I hope you guys have found this video helpful. I'm going to leave all details down below, so the address, their socials, their contact number as well. So if you want to grab anything from the shop, you know where to find it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I love doing videos like this, just exploring and discovering new spots that we could source materials from. Let me know if you visit the shop. Don't forget to mention my name. Tell them I sent you. Tell them Kim sent you, so they know where you came from. But until my next video, have a good morning, afternoon, and evening wherever you are.